Come and join our activities in Nadala village as part of Village Stay Fiji. Penny and Emily greeted us and welcomed us into their home. Our morning activity was cooking, where everything was grown in their own garden. This was so much fun. We sat in the shade, shared some stories. This is what I call a Fijian can opener. I swear I'd lose fingers if I tried this. There's always time for a nap under a tree until lunch was ready for us all to sit down and enjoy together. After lunch, our sweet treat was sugar cane. Chop it up, give it a chew. It's delicious. Then it was time for our next activity, which was weaving. Emily made this look so easy. You could tell she's been doing it for years. It was so much fun. I gave it a go, but I'm really glad Emily's very patient. Our next activity was a garden tour, and this is where I started planting my Nadala farm. I love a hands-on activity.
Yeah, put it in anyhow.
3 months grow Kumala and then ready for the lobo.
Then it was time to dig a hole to plant the dalo. I don't think we can get any of these vegetables in New Zealand. Possibly we could get them frozen. I forget the name of this one, but next it was chilies. I've noticed Fijians love raw chilies with most of their meals. These are my baby chilies. After a full day of activities, we were invited to stay for dinner. All activities are included when staying with
Village Stay Fiji.